Do you want to encourage your sweet little fur baby to drink more water? I'm Gina with WTI, and if you're a cat owner like I am, that you know that can be a struggle sometimes. I got this glass cat water fountain from Tomxcute, and my cat loves drinking out of it. This has a really simple setup. In fact, all you have to do is soak one of the filters in water to saturate it and then put it in its little case, and basically you're good to go from that point. This is such a beautiful water fountain. It's like having a water feature in your home. The glass gives you a clear view of how much water is left inside, so there's no guessing about the level. This has a beautiful blue light that shines brilliantly through the glass, but that can also be turned off. My adult cat takes a little bit of time to get used to things, so and to encourage her, I put one of her treats inside the water. As soon as she went for that, she started drinking the water, and now she has no problem going directly to the fountain. Of course, I love that this has 3-layer filtration, so I know my kitty cat is getting clean and pure water. You cannot go wrong with this cat water fountain, and that's my point of view.